Let me go start the video. All right, so this is not the Reggae Girls. This is the Reggae Boys. I know maybe based off the title, you guys might be surprised. Hey, yeah. So apparently, as you guys know, that in August there will be the under 15 the CONCACAF under 15 championships, right? And we will be partaking in that. Fortunately, you guys know that when it comes on to the Reggae Boys and preparation, we don't really get much preparation, especially at youth level. No, at every level, we don't get much preparation. Now, here stands an opportunity for us to dig into get some real quality preparation for the tournament that is ahead. And unfortunately, JFF dropped the ball again. I would say they fumbled the bag. JFF fumbled the bag big time on this one. Anyways, people, smash the like button. Anyways, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. I am your host, Murray Dakers. Was that necessary? I don't think so, but me put in it. Anyways, hopefully you guys are doing good. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you guys do so. I'm home. I'm in the office because I'm not gonna have no extra things in the video. Yeah. So certainly, you see outside dark, rain and fall at Portmore. Can you imagine rain and fall at Portmore? People, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share the content. Let a lot of persons know what is happening. All right. So you guys know that the Malmo trophy was coming up in Sweden. Sweden? Anyways, Sweden and Greece. Anyways, yes, the Malmo Trophy Commission, we had fixtures set out, competition date, schedules, mass schedules, accommodation, all these things were sorted on the competition committee side of things. They sorted out everything. The Reggae Boys have nothing to worry about. Everything was prepared and put in place. All it was for them is to reach or arrive on the particular at a particular time period. That's all. That's all. They had nothing else to do, and the competition organizers would have taken care of everything else. So all they had to do was arrive, just reach, just reach. That's all they have. Just reach. And not even that the JFF can do. No, it's pretty much surprising that there's a change in management, but yet still most of there's not a lot of changes, but there's one and two changes in the management places in the JFF, but most of the same small intricate details of mishaps are still present, and it leaves you to wonder, is there a bigger or a deeper rooted cause of what's consistently happening, or what's the reason we're seeing? So the question goes now, why is it that the team won't make it to the Malmo Trophy competition? Why? Why not? Why? What's the reason why the team can't make it to the Malmo Trophy competition? And will we get a public announcement that the team won't be able to make it to this particular competition? And you know, if maybe state why. I don't know. You don't have to state why. Just announce it that hey, we won't be able to make it to the competition, and let the players who are training get a formal whatever. And they call it probably one tell them in a meeting, but let the fans who are expecting something know. I'm not saying me or the YouTubers or the media, but supporters of the team, people who support the team, who have been anticipating, people who have maybe put money aside to make this journey, people who have paid tickets to go and watch the team play. Because bear in mind that it doesn't matter where the Reggae Boys or Reggae Girls go, supporters will be there. So it will be in honor of these guys to formally announce that we won't be able to make it to the Malmo Trophy, so that they can, whatever plans they made, they can retract it and say, okay, it won't happen again. I know that you guys are afraid of the backlash, but that's the business of football. It comes with backlash, it comes with risk, it comes with chance taking. That's a part of it. Nevertheless, you just have to accept when you get the backlash. As simple as that. Nothing is perfect, and then now you learn from that. Now, the fear of failure in regards to not making things go through, like exactly the backlash or whatever. The fear of these things are these could be some of the reasons why we don't really excel in how we want to excel, because we are so afraid of what people would say. So we kind of retract ourselves. And you didn't announce that, hey, this thing never work out, so guess what? It won't, and whatever, we're going to do this such and such. And people get a backlash and say it. And then even within the backlash, you'll hear a lot of suggestions. You could have done this, you could have done that, you could have done this. And you'll learn from that. But all I'm saying is, we really want to know why a simple tournament like that for preparation, the Malmo Trophy for preparation of the Under-15 Championship, preparation for that. Now, since the Malmo Trophy is now off, I'm hoping that, and even though the commission and the championship is in August, this is give us proper preparation time, proper timings to get in some proper friendlies. Even if the boys will play against some Premier League teams or some teams that are at a higher level than they are, so they can get beaten left, right, and center, know what it takes to play at a particular level. I'm not saying get international games. I'm not saying that. I don't know if you can afford it. I don't know if the JFF can afford that. What I'm saying is, at least get the opportunity now to get in some proper competitive matches, so that when the Under-15 Championship turns up, the players aren't underprepared, the players aren't fit. The players are disorganized, all of these things. Even though a lot of us still don't even know who the coach is. So there are so much issues underneath. Hey, people, 1 second. All right, I'm back. So there's so much issues underpinning right now, and that needs to be sorted out. So as I said, the Malmo Trophy is off, and since the Malmo Trophy is off, let's see how best we can at least get in some quality friendlies and some proper training programs for the players. We don't want the players to go in a competition, and when we look at our players look unfit. They can't run for 90 minutes. They look disorganized. We have seen that over and over again, time and time again. This is now, you have the opportunity now. The commission is in August. Let's be smart. Let's utilize this. Let's not go and embarrass ourselves like we always do. This is the time for us to be smart. This is the time for us to be smart. We lost you know what things we lost out by not participating in that competition? There's going to be so much scouts and all these type of things that's going to be in that trophy, that tournament. And these youngsters missed that opportunity. A big opportunity missed for them. So guess what? Prepare them right, so that when the CONCACAF Championship comes around, they will be able to participate, they will be able to be competitive, so that scouts will also see them. Because they miss the Malmo Trophy, when people could have said, okay, this can fix and that. So guess what? Let them be prepared, so that when the Under-15 Championship starts, they will be 100% ready. It's very unfortunate that they miss this opportunity, going up against the elite level talent at their age group right across the globe. It's very unfortunate. And it's disheartening, because this is a grand opportunity for some of these youngsters to go and see where they're at and see the areas that they need to work on and how to get themselves at a particular level. It's very disheartening. But fix this. Don't be complacent. Not because the Malmo Trophy is now off, the players are going to return home and then that's it. And one time for the week, no, this can be fixed. Fix this. We want to participate. We want to compete. We not just participate. We want to compete. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about the cancellation of this competition, or the reason why these players, not the commission being cancelled, JFF not be able to facilitate or plan properly so that the players can make their way to this tournament. Visa and other issues. Again, we've seen it again. We've seen it already. This is nothing new. Anyways, people, smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and share the content. Let some more persons know what's happening. Let them know what's happening, and tell us your thoughts in the comment section. I would appreciate if you do so. MG Sports TV people. I'm out. Boom.